Hey guys, Tim and Lauren here from Concise Tech. So today we are taking a look. It's going to be kind of a first look video of these Google Pixel Buds. This is the A series. So Google sent these out. They're a gift from Google. And we're going to cover some of the features with this and kind of do a first look with you here as I unbox these and open these up. And then we are going to do a full review as well.
So this is a budget version of the previous Pixel Buds.
Yeah, so these come in at starting $99. So the Pixel Buds 2, when those were released, those were about $180 brand new. Right now they're down to $129.99. You can find them and stuff. Those have been out for a little while now and stuff too. Like we said, this is, quote unquote the budget version. This is the A series. So with that, there's going to be, obviously some differences from the other previous version. So we're going to go over that real quick.
So these are lighter by 20%. However, there's no wireless charging here. You have to use a USB-C.
A couple other features were removed as well. So with these, that ambient noise feature is also gone. So that's where before you could hear like a dog barking or baby crying or emergency vehicles. And then also the swipe volume controls aren't there. You have to either use the device you're streaming from, or you can talk to the assistant and tell it to turn up or down the volume.
This is Bluetooth 5.0 and IPX4 resistant, so you should be good with sweating if you take these on a run.
So there's no aptX support with these, and you can pair this with multiple devices, but just not simultaneously at the same time. We're definitely going to test out the call quality, but from initial reports, it seems like the call quality on these is pretty decent, and they were on the Pixel 2 buds as well that I tried out.
These will last for 5 hours at moderate volume, and you can get up to about 19 hours while charging it in the case.
One of the things I think is really cool with these also is that you can use them independently. So they send separate Bluetooth transmissions to each earbud. So if you want to use one at a time and you want to use it for a phone call like that or just listen to music in one ear only, you can do that as well. So it's pretty cool because you can either save your charge that way, or if you're someone that doesn't like to have both in and maybe you want to hear your environment a little more, then you can just use one. So guys, like we said, this is kind of just the first look here and going over some of these features, an introduction to the Pixel Buds A series. So we're going to be doing a full review, so make sure you check that out. Lauren's going to be testing these out too, and we'll both be using these. We'll let you know what we think in our full review. So subscribe so you make sure you see that as well.
We'll put a link down in the description below, which will likely be an affiliate link. So if you guys are able to purchase these and use that link, that would really help us out and is much appreciated.
Yeah, like this video if you found it helpful. I've got some other Pixel content on the channel here. Google in the past has sent over some of their phones and cases and stuff like that. So it's definitely appreciated. Make sure to subscribe like we said so you don't miss any further content. But thank you for watching here with us today. And we'll see you on the next one.